Craving a quick and delicious dessert? This bread sweet dessert is crispy, golden and soaked in flavorful sugar syrup, perfect for any sweet tooth. A fun and easy way to introduce dairy and grains into their diet. I'm Nahida and welcome to Enoven Cake and Cookies. Let's get started. First, preparing the creamy stuffing. Take 1 cup milk and let it boil. Add 2 tablespoons sugar. Milk and powdered milk help in strengthening bones. And 1 tablespoon of powdered milk for a rich taste. Use condensed milk for a richer and creamier taste. In a separate bowl, mix 3 tablespoons milk with 2 tablespoons rice flour until smooth. Add the mixture to the boiling milk and stir continuously. Add 1 teaspoon ghee and cook until it thickens into a creamy consistency. For extra flavor, add chopped nuts like almonds, cashews or pistachios to the stuffing. Ghee provides essential healthy fats for overall well-being. Keep aside and let it cool. Now making the sugar syrup. In a pan, add half cup sugar and 1 cup water. Sugar and bread carbs give an instant energy boost. Let it boil and dissolve completely. Add 2 cardamoms for a fragrant touch. Boil for 2 to 3 minutes, then turn off the heat and keep it warm. Cardamom in the sugar syrup help improve digestion. Now take bread slices, cut the edges and roll them flat using a rolling pin. Spread the prepared creamy stuffing evenly over the bread. If you want it chocolatey, spread some chocolate sauce inside for a fun twist. Fold the bread and seal the edges properly. Seal the edges properly using a little milk to prevent the stuffing from leaking. Heat oil in a pan and fry on medium heat until golden brown and crispy. If you want a healthier version, instead of frying, brush with butter and bake at 180 degrees Celsius for 10 to 15 minutes until golden. Once done, soak the fried bread in the warm sugar syrup for a few minutes. And there you have it, our delicious, crispy and syrupy bread sweet dessert is ready. Perfect for festivals, parties or whenever you crave something sweet. Try this at home and let me know in the comments how it turned out. If you love this recipe, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more delightful treats. See you in the next video.